Italy is a proud and active partner of the global coalition against Daesh. We joined the coalition since its establishment in 2014, conscious that we must stand together to tackle the threat posed by terrorism. Since then, much has been achieved. We are fully engaged in all formats and activities of the coalition, starting from the counter-financing group, which we co-chair together with the US and Saudi Arabia. We contribute to the stabilization of Syria through humanitarian and development initiatives.